welcome you all to your Vedantu Commerce channel. This is Riddhi Sikri, your accountancy master teacher, and I welcome you all to the Vedantu Commerce channel. Yes, Veda, there is a dress code given by NTA, so let's discuss it out. What NTA is saying to wear and what is not allowed in wearing in the examination hall. CUET exam में क्या allowed है और क्या allowed नहीं है. Let's discuss it out. And beta, let me tell you one more very important thing that every day live sessions for your CUET preparations are going on in the channel. So for that, subscribe the channel so that you get the notification whenever teachers are live, right? So, and let's quickly discuss what is beard and what is not allowed in CUET examination, and this is directly from the NTA website. So, of course, beta, you will get checked from some metal detectors before you enter into your examination. What is beard in examination? So you are not allowed to take any textual material which is printed or which is written. And of course, bits of paper are not allowed. Any geometry, pencil box, plastic pouch, calculator pen, scale, writing pad, pen drives, eraser, calculators, long table, electronic pen, scanner is not allowed. Of course, take the pen for your OMR sheets, but any electronic pen is not allowed. Any communication device like mobile phone ho, any Bluetooth earphones, microphones, pager, health band, they are of course not allowed. Right? So please don't try to take these items with you, otherwise you will get banned or you'll not be able to get the examination. Then what else? Wallet is also not allowed. So you can carry your money in the pocket, but basically wallet le jana allowed nahi hai. You can't wear goggles into the examination center. You can't take handbags into the examination center. तो अब examination center में handbags flex आप नहीं कर पाओगे. Belt, of course, here there is new thing that belt is also not allowed. Wearing a cap, you can just wear it before you enter into the center. But if it's of course summer is there, so if it is hot everywhere, so basically आप क्या कर सकते हो, रस्ते में पहन कर आओ, बाहर जो भी ड्रॉप करेगा उनको पकड़ा दीजिए और क्या. फिर एनी वॉच और रिस्ट वॉच, ब्रेसलेट, कैमरा इज नॉट अलाउड, सो ब्रेसलेट प्लीज मत पहनिएगा. राइट, एनी ऑर्नामेंट्स, मेटलिक आइटम्स, दे आर नॉट अलाउड. एनी फूड आइटम्स ओपन और पैक्ड आर नॉट अलाउड. वाटर बॉटल्स, बेटा वाटर बॉटल यू कैन टेक द ट्रांसपेरेंट वन, जो जिसमें दिख रहा है कि हाँ अंदर पानी ही है, वैसा बॉटल आप लेकर जाइएगा. अगर बाहर आपको मना कर दिया जाता है तो देन कीप इट आउटसाइड. Otherwise, I think that will be allowed in as well. Any other item that could be used for unfair means, और ऐसा कोई item जो unfair activity में use होता है, please don't take in that. Basically, beta, no arrangements will be done for keeping your belongings in the center. So we all go with this the mindset in the mind कि हाँ हमारे सामान के लिए कुछ arrangement रहेगा, but they have cleared it that there will be no arrangements for keeping your articles or items. You have to reach before 2 hours of the reporting time के 2 hours पहले पहुंचना है. Dress code. What is the dress code, beta? If you are going with light clothes with long sleeves, that is not allowed. However, in case candidates, if you are coming in any cultural or customary dress into the examination center, तो 1 hour पहले ही आपको वहां पर आना पड़ेगा, so that you get properly checked. For your footwear, sleeper is allowed, sandals are allowed, low heels are permitted, but shoes पहनकर आप नहीं जा सकते. Yes, shoes are not allowed. In case any deviation required due to unavoidable medical circumstances, specific approval by NTA should be mentioned in your admit cards. So if there is any health issue or if there is any medical issue, that should be approved by NPA and that should be mentioned in your admit card only. It is desired that the candidates follow instructions issued by NTA strictly. This will help the NTA conducting a proper and fair examination. So these items you have to keep in mind while going into the examination center, the dress code, the beard items. So please don't wear anything which is particularly specified, that don't come with the caps or goggles, है ना. जो भी चीजें मना की गई है बेटा, बिल्कुल भी वो आपने पहनकर या लेकर नहीं जानी है, ठीक है जी. सो हैव ऑफ कोर्स सक्सेसफुल एग्जामिनेशन, हैव फन examination, have good examination. And let me announce about the Vidya Utsav, beta. Vidya Utsav is the amazing उत्सव coming from वेदांतु, जहां पर होंगे आपके सभी सपने साकार. which is on 1st May at 12 p.m. कैसे होगा बेटा? क्या होगा इसमें बेटा? एक सॉल्यूशन होगा आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का. You are going to get some exciting surprises and reveals and some fun activities as well. जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको होती है ना पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड, वो इस विद्या उत्सव में आपकी सॉल्व होने वाली है. कब है जी? 1st May 2024 at 12 p.m. Right? So this was only much in this video. That much only I wanted to discuss with you all, the dress code and all, and the wear items. I hope you all got it, you all understood it. If you have any doubts, any problems, any confusions, mention it in the comment box below. And for more such videos, of course, subscribe the channel, like the video, please share it with your friends, and comment me down if you have any problems or anything which was not discussed in this whole session. Right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. I will be coming up with more such videos for you all. And as I have told you, everyday live sessions are going on in this channel. So please stay connected and please subscribe the channel so that you get the notifications of all such videos. Thank you so much for cooperating. Thank you so much for listening. I will be seeing you all in the next session. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye. See you all.